So in here we get asked a lot of questions about growing, about soil, fertilizers, different things. And one that I've been asked several times is, what is the difference between mulch and compost? And do they do the same thing? And the answer to that is no. Mulch and compost are not the same. So mulch is a layer that you put on top of your garden, and it helps with water retention. It's a top layer used to control weeds, and it helps regulate temperature in your garden. Compost, on the other hand, is actually full of living organisms and provides nutrients to the plants below the ground. So mulch is on top of the ground, where compost is mixed into the ground or into the soil. One way to think of it is that compost is made up of decomposing matter, where mulch is made up of matter that is not decomposed yet. So there are two types of mulch. There's organic mulch and inorganic mulch. Organic mulch is made up of things that used to be living, like leaves, bark, things like that. And then inorganic mulch is made up of rubber, plastic, landscape fabric, things like that. And that's what you commonly see on playgrounds. So compost can be mixed into mulch, and mulch can become compost, but the two are different.